Thank you, Ekta. Good evening, everybody, and thank you, Tai, for this opportunity at Open Mic. Well, my journey started with training for almost 24 years when I saw that many came with dreams in their eyes and a passion to take an idea forward. But what we were actually doing was killing that idea by training them just and making them prepared for a job. The ones who actually dared to take the road less traveled ended up with trials and travails, making most of them to take a U-turn as there wasn't any support for them, and which was very difficult at that time, very far-fetched and very piecemeal. So where the startup story of these dreamers ended, that was where ours started. We set up the Entrepreneur Zone in 2015 as a startup accelerator with just one mission in mind: to provide the aspiring entrepreneurs with a structured and integrated approach to start, sustain, and scale their business. So today, TES, as we call ourselves, has mentored more than 150 budding entrepreneurs, got some successfully funded, and consulted many to scale. The University of Hyderabad endorses our Startup Launcher program, which is sector agnostic, and we also associate with ICRISAT for an agribusiness startup program. Other than that, at TES, we have given startup mentorship to various incubators of institutions like the Agricultural University of Telangana, Nutri Hub of Indian Institute of Millet Research, Nalsar Law University, IIT Hyderabad and Ranchi, SRM Chennai, just to name a few. Now, what is unique about our mentorship is that it follows a three-pronged approach, which is a combination of masterclasses by entrepreneurs, investors, and many of them from TIE as well, combined with a consultancy support done through deep dive sessions with every incubatee, further backed by support services like company incorporation, documentation, business plan, pitch deck, investor connects, fund facilitation, market access, and all this with third-party linkages like that of Bhavani, Ekta, and others. So this USP combination of mentorship, consultancy, and support services gives our incubatees that little personal touch and handholding, which enables them to start and scale up. Sector-wise, we cater to new gen startups, both tech and non-tech, and some of our success stories are Syrup Solution Vehicles Black Box funded by ONGC, Newsreach funded by Mumbai Angels and Jito, Auto Deals, Rath, Glio, ChemDirect, NextClick, Shop and Go, Legist, Augment Therapeutics, Fit Social, Crinet, and many more. In fact, Aruna Shri made my job much easier because the problem that she exactly said is the one we try to solve. So I just completed, we are ranked among the top 10 consultancy firms for startup by Silicon India. And our startups have also been covered by TV5 program, Startup Junction. As I would like to end it with what one of our startups testified us with, saying that we are a lethal combination of industry and academia to help us take our idea to an MVP stage and then to startup. And to this, I think we add our tagline: if you have an idea that can kill, we have the guns loaded. My ask from TIE would be definitely to connect me to more and more startups like Aruna Shri and Kalpana, who are looking for that business incubation that they do not get in research and innovation in institutions, and like from what is an MVP to what is a business model. That is where, and those who are looking for a longer engagement and not just one-off. Thank you so much.